The top stories. Princess of Thailand leaves after 2-day visit in Manipur. Talented youths remain unnoticed in far-flung areas in state. And Yambem Govind breaks Guinness World Record in diamond push-ups. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. On her 2-day visit to Imphal for the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival, the Princess of Thailand Maha Chakri Sirinthor attended as special guest at a cultural event held at Bhaiga Chandra Open Air Theatre at Palace Compound yesterday. Chief Minister and Biren also presented gifts to the princess in her honor. Talking to Times of Manipur TV News, the princess said she will support the Act East policy.
Ma'am, one question please. Ma'am, your views about the Look East policy?
That is good because you can look at East and you look at me.
And what about the Sangai Festival?
What?
She hasn't been.
On the other hand, the Princess of Thailand Maha Chakri Sirinthor today visited Loktak Lake and Kaibul Lamjau National Park. She was mesmerized by the beauty of Loktak Lake. The princess had her lunch at Sendra and proceeded to Kaibul Lamjau National Park. She showed the beauty of Sangai, the dancing deers. She has visited the national park by using boat. Later, she met titular King Sana Jauba at Kangla. Many talented youths have remained unnoticed due to poor family income at Sempang village in Tamenglong district. It is of utmost importance for the government to reach out to the far and remote hilly regions.
Rachulung Gangmei, son of Ngaigong Pau and Chuntui Liu Gangmei, is a native of Sempang village in Tamenglong district, Manipur. Presently, his family is staying at a rented house in Tamenglong district headquarters. Even as Rachulung Gangmei has not taken proper training or held any certificates in the field of handicraft, he is an expert in the field. His work shows his fine ideas. His products were exhibited in some district-level fairs, but it went unnoticed by the people in other parts of the state.
So I school drop sutanga kuma atong merana mitong self-interest karena kuma tan thau the ma I train suma khe kuma rana kuma katitin na tan na kuma earn suma dong the apa ma rena thu sian hai rinra mai bjang rana school ni kuma ta kai ngam khe kuma a he kuma tan na he rana gang no puni ni na kuma ni tan mam dong the ki ma rinra me tumi kyo akhang khulai he ni tin kha wong tang sam khe kum bjang rana ka tin kha he tan ma kang ni tin nan jang the kuma ka gan good the kuma rinra ma nim bu the ma tan dong the kuma ka tin kha
In an exclusive interview with the Tom TV News, he said that he used only local and self-made equipment in bringing out his beautiful handicraft products. He also aspired to have modern equipment so that he can be more efficient. He also said that he is ready to work with any company or organization that is willing to hire him in near future. He drew the attention of the department concerned for any kind of support in sustaining his business, which will support his family.
ma renra mani bu the ma lak ni lak the ma to bui ko me hey government na ni to any company government pu private pu ma ataka ge na na kum ka wong bu tha ani ma tan we ta lo no kum akhang to bui don ram khasani to ma rana ma an sub jang rana kung me zu na the ma he tong lam kho khulai tong kha lo ni mai ram me the kung kum mi to ho ai ka haw na ba me ma government dung bia khum puni ma the private ko puni ma company ko ta no to puni kum tong nam nai the ani ka haw he to ka haw rai me gum te gan cha ko hu thang tho ma exhibition ko ma mara ka za lo we ni kum kha ka nai mu ka za lo we ti akhang he khui rena tin gan sa gang mai la taw me tum ho kuma tan bam ti mi tho mai pa manung goi rena kuma tu bui so kuma tan ba mai to tina order gan sa kuma so launa takan magan ta ta mang long dc rena uni talawe kuma sai mian he ni chugum 2018 go ne me orange festival khani kuma talo ho tuna ma tan bam dong e ta wa he khui rena khang ka tin kuma ge nai me kuma sian he kuma gong phang dar.
We are here in a place called Tamenglong, Namlalong, where a man called Ratchulung Gangmai has been working with his very honest efforts to bring out the products, the handicraft products, like making some pictures, the statues, or any sort of things. And the main objective why he started this project is because he comes from a very humble and a very poor background. But as a family, as a human being, he has to work hard to survive his family. And he has been working hard since many years back, but without the assistance of any financial assistance from government or from any concerned authorities till today. And if the concerned authority or any person can look after him in order to bring out the better products in his career, then he can be uplifted and one can see the wonderful products that he made out of his humble efforts. Blessing Yangmai with the camera person Govind, Tom TV, Tamenglong, Manipur.
Yambem Govind of Manipur has set new world record in diamond push-ups. Yambem Govind is the son of Yambem Navadip and Tampa of Kwakatel Konjenglekai. And earlier, he has set a world record in alternate elbow strike as well. He was able to set more number of push-ups than the old record set by Ren Quang Chin of Singapore in the Guinness Book of World Record. Govind set the new record by performing 94 push-ups in a minute, breaking the old record of 84. The record attempt was performed at indoor stadium of Kumalampak. Govind did not only attempt in diamond push-up but also in knuckle push-ups and jumping jacks. Talking to the Tom TV News, Govind said, report of the new world record will be sent to the authority concerned to have it registered. He further said he has been a wushu and kickboxing player for a long time. However, he had to leave the events due to unfavorable condition in his family. Later, after seeing videos of people setting records in diamond push-ups, he decided to attempt in it. After much hard work in the event, he could break the record today.
Event I nukti sum exercise on sana sana ada push-up kumba. Diamond push-up the makal ani hum leidna. Diamond push-up, knuckle push-up, normal push-up, palm push-up kaina ka. Adu mada sum nukti sum sana ba. Adragi strength sum nukti tam tam sum low ba. Adragi double elbow strike. Or sum mi changdra video sum isa thun taw ya put ngatanina an sum nukti sum exercise on sana javne. Adu matungina IJ attempt tawgina khan mangam ni khandana taw thoksarakone. Isa da nungai harau poe kaino habda aina tawribido mayam tawrazu amangatang lakbazo aidi khoi ahamanina punsigi mai chum baigadra aina honda zaman phang baigadra adu oibnina aigi ti ahamidi yam nuaiji.
Miss India International 2018 Tanis Bhosle, who represented India at Miss International 2018 in Tokyo, Japan, is here on her 3-day visit for Shanghai Festival. Tanis is going to take part in a fashion parade as a showstopper at Lamboy Khongnangkhong as well. Department of Tourism and Textiles Industries is going to organize this show on November 30th. Talking to our executive editor Santi Salam, the young beauty pageant said she is here to promote tourism. She also mentioned that Manipur is like a second home to her.
Oh yes, I'm here to promote the tourism sector a little bit, and to promote Manipur as a place, this wonderful, beautiful land. And I'm here as a showstopper for the fashion show that's on the 1st, I believe. And yeah, I'm so excited and so looking forward for everything. The visit in Manipur and the stay and the people over here, especially Kumarjeet, who's been helping me since I remember the last time I was here. Everyone's so amazing out here. Wow.
You are here recently. You had come for another fashion show for sericulture.
Right, for sericulture.
How was your experience as a whole?
Experience as a whole, I remember having the Manipuri cuisine. I remember wearing the Manipuri bridal dress, which is, I know, a once in a lifetime experience, I believe. And everyone here is so warm, so welcoming. It is so good to be here. Every time I'm here, it feels like a home away from home indeed. It's amazing.
Mysterious slaughtering of livestock and domestic animals still continues at various places in the state. In one of such incidents, 2 goats were found slaughtered in the same gruesome manner at midnight near Kakching Garden last night. On the other hand, locals of Basikong caught an animal which is likely to be a rare species of animal known as Kaijenglang. A team of Food Safety and Standard Enforcement Unit Bisnupur inspected various food stores at the Kaibulamjao venue of Manipur Sangai Festival today. Designated Officer Y. Surendra, Food Safety Officer S. Surendra and H. Prem Kumar inspected whether the stores follow the guidelines given by the Food Safety Department. Speaking to the Times of Manipur TV News, Designated Officer Y. Surendra said, the step has been taken up by the department to provide healthy and hygienic food during the festival. Besides, it is also an effort to avoid the guidelines of the department during the festival as well, he added.
Awareness food vegetables ingredients handle the ingredients expiry matam hen da na ba ko adum yon bi ba ko aduga serve to ba kan da ju haidi koigi haidi laina tina pakta ba ko chinjak ko adum ba serve to na ba adum ba koi adugi regularly koi moi da awareness pi ba ma koi pijadi hai tare ko.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Watch Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back after the break. The Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 will be concluded on 30th November. However, many people are thronging to the Kaibulamjao ground, one of the venues of the ongoing festival. Cultural dances of different communities, songs and fashion parade were the main attraction of the festival. Besides, stores of handloom and handicrafts, food stores of different cuisines are showcasing in the festival. Talking to the Times of Manipur TV News, a stall owner said the number of visitors is increasing day by day in comparison with the previous year.
Adum sinbagi mawong se adum iman manai handak na kitang di mi gi da haro ga di handak na hele koi gi sai gi sida ke bulam jaw sida sangai le re haibagi ko yam lae lakba sida yengningai di rei leitaba male aduna sang kai kari khara semba saba le ra ga di hena mi se lakane na khanjai hainingai leitana ha nungai je hai tar koi kungang gi hai tar ko koi sai gi oina dum nungai je.
Another visitor said organizing such festival at different places is a good initiative. Visitors can witness the beauty of different places and venues.
Can I have this? Yam English na nil kongi sang karim teo na yam na kanoina peaceful na bangthe. Aduga palom da bangtho pasina koi yam sarang na ba sibum jam yawi.
A team of 35 Myanmar armies left Moreh for Mizoram to participate in the Guerrilla Jungle Warfare Training Center at Vairangte. The team was warmly accorded by 11 Assam Rifles at Moreh. The team of 35 Myanmar armies was led by 5 officers after checking their passports at integrated checkpost. The Assam Rifles see off them with full security measures up to Imphal. The initiative was taken up by the government of India to have good relationships between two countries. 32nd Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2018 has begun at Centenary Hall of the university today. The 3-day youth festival organized by Manipur University Cultural Committee began by hosting the flag of Inter-College Youth Festival. Speaking on the occasion, Padma Shri awardee and renowned filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sharma said, today's society lacks discipline. He also expressed his desire to conduct workshops on mutual understanding and love.
You are trying to find out the secret of this universe, secret of this life, secret this mystery, and that university with intellectuals, professors, and the so-called lover of wisdom, knowledge, they are celebrating life, they are celebrating youth. Then I said, yes, I will come.
In his speech, Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh lauded the initiative taken up by the Manipur University Cultural Committee.
They bring new life, new enthusiasm among the students. From the side of the university, we will be happy, we are happy to provide whatever facilities or support we can give. And I wish all those students from the 23 colleges who have come, best of luck and enjoy your time here in the university, and you can see the university, and I will not take much of your time, and I assure you that we will help you in making sure that your festival is a grand success.
MLA of Wangjing Tentha constituency P. Brozen today handed over 10 sack of rice to Laisram money through the members of Booth Committee. It is worth mentioning that some unknown miscreants burned down a huge quantity of paddy which were piled up on his paddy field on November 23rd last. United Naga Council UNC has elected Mr. Khozon as its new president. Khozon belongs to Paumei tribe. Earlier, he was the leader of several student organizations and he also took part in various activities of UNC. Elangbam Ranjita, wife of Kishore Chanwang Khemcha, and lawyer Chongtham Victor and his family strongly condemned the government's action of arresting Kishore Chan and sending him to jail.
In a press meet held today at the Giving Tree Complex, Sangai Pro, Imphal, Wang Khemcha Kishore Chan wife Elangbam Ranjita questions the state's government and security forces on what ground her husband KC was arrested while he was on bail.
Sibil da lae moi taruk tarit muk lae sibil da gari ani tawraga lae aduga wari amtang sana je kaisu tawroi keno tawroi haire aduda akoina akoi bigta keno je advocates amtang tanajagi ge aduga akoi family tawraga lakke dum lakani akoi bail da dum keno tawbani na laksage na admai tawduna wari sanu gan moise kan amta tabidre dum keno chatlaje firon se chalo khochalo hairaga firon se selaga adum pugre akoi sum matungda dum inada yadamne inare.
Lawyer of Casey, Chongtham Victor, also questions on the charges of National Security Act (NSA) against Casey.
NSA is being slapped. NSA is the knowledge that unlawful activities prevention act kumada loin tongnai adubu speech pasam khak piba adugi damakta NSA tarak pai si karamba section attract tawraga tarak kadrino habasi ai hoji am ngakpam oiri adubu ji phogidi se sang kamta phangjibanina ai ju further opinion pibidi ai ngamjadre adubu hojik leiba status city he is innocent for which he has been released, but in what manner he has been again re-arrested haibai question to the public mayamna hangbi baman rakalai hangakanda khoi sakhot minasi globalization sida khoi sum sotha horaga lai horaga dra na khalle khoi negative energy mayam se sum exercise tawra lai reba aduna sigi wahai je thamjage.
Casey families and his lawyer also appeals to the civil society's organization of Manipur and people from all walks of life to support them in their fight for justice.
Let's take a short break once again. Welcome back. Magistrate of Tengnopal district has promulgated CRPC 144 to avoid tension after some unknown person lit fire near Kondong Lairembi, More last night. Under section 144 of CRPC, gathering of more than 5 people and carrying lethal weapons including knives and sticks will be strictly prohibited in the area under the jurisdiction of More subdivision until further order. Some unknown person fired several rounds at the resident of Samurai Latpam, Jiten Sharma, an officer of Directorate of Settlement, this morning. Human rights activist Harsh Mandar has said that Karwani Mohabbat is the messenger of the masses and its main aim is to bring justice to the families of the victims of judicial killings, mob lynching and fake encounters. Speaking at a press conference held at Giving Tree Sangaipro, Harsh maintained that he has spoken with various human rights activists and organizations and have discussed ways to bring justice to the victims' families.
The Karwani Mohabbat is a people's movement in the form of a journey that we started 15 months ago. This is a journey that we started in order to reach out and respond to the rising hate and violence that we are seeing happening in different parts of India. In many places we're seeing a rise of lynching and hate crimes, in other places continuing and a rise of encounter killings.
Arubam Tenishan and Chingkham Ningthem, sponsored by Salai Holdings, who represented India in the Asian Cup Jeet Kundo Championship at Pattaya City, Thailand, was felicitated at Salai Conference Hall today. Speaking at the reception, Naringbam Biswajit, Vice Chairman of Salai, said the players used to play under the leadership of Health and Development Organization at Uripok Polem Leikai and was sponsored by Salai Holdings to Thailand with the aim to promote players where they fetched gold medals. An encounter broke out today between militants and security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Burgam district, police said. Security forces launched a cordon and search operation in Kutpora area of Burgam in the morning, following information about presence of militants there. A police officer said the militants opened fire towards the security forces who were carrying out searches. He said the firing was retaliated by the forces, leading to a gun battle, the official said, adding there was no report of any injury or casualty. The authorities have snapped internet services in Burgam as a precautionary measures. Addressing an election rally in Telangana, Prime Minister Narendra Modi heralded a major change in BJP's strategy to counter any opposition front that takes shape for the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The Prime Minister focused his attack on the Congress but branded the other major players of the anti-BJP alliance as acceptable to the public as he looked to isolate the Grand Old Party. Barely 5 months ahead of year's polls, people accepted Mayawati and Mulayam but not the Congress. In Bihar, they accepted Lalu Prasad but not the Congress. In Bengal, they were fine with the Communists and even Mamata Banerjee despite her mistakes. Congress is the only party which has to be vanished from our country forever, Modi said at a public meeting in Nizamabad yesterday. Now let's take the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle. Nagaland police arrest 8 trackers on Zuko trip. Citizenship bill. Parliament panel meet inconclusive. Thailand princess graces Sangay festival. Presence of nocturnal predators felt across state. NEDF alleges ploy to settle outsiders in northeast. The Morning Bell. Princess of Thailand attends Manipur Sangay Festival 2018. Language bill needs to be passed for converting Bengali script into Meitei Mayek speaker. Respect reservation policy of the state, Atsum. 1 dead, 15 including 2 Japanese injured in road accident along National Highway 2. Imphal Free Press. 8 Zuko trackers from Manipur detained by Nagaland police. Minor killed, 15 including Japanese couple injured in National Highway 2 road accident. Probe. Case of victim who died of police assault. MHRC to DGP SP Kakching. The Sangay Express. 8 state mountaineers arrested by Nagaland police. India extends $5 million aid to Myanmar. Civil Secretariat government sets February deadline. Simplex says pay liabilities first. Highway tax collection mode needs review. Manipur Mail. Manipur, England to clash for Polo International Trophy. Princess Mahachakri Sirindon arrives.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Princess of Thailand lives after 2-day visit in Manipur. Talented youths remain unnoticed in far-flung areas in state. And Yambem Govind breaks Guinness World Record in diamond push-ups. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for being with us.